Hello guys, welcome to my video. You would not have seen such a video on YouTube till date. You will understand 7 types of ideas in a few minutes. I am explaining in a simple way. I am telling you that I will show you 7 types of new videos related to tying scarves. Watch and understand and tell your relatives to watch this video too, by watching which they can enhance their beauty in a beautiful style. And especially it is very good for the new generation and children and old people, that is. Watch and follow the beautiful style. To see more such new videos in future, please like the video a lakh times and definitely subscribe to the channel. Thank you, have a good day.